Arizona, big news! Driving Academy is now open in Tucson. That means if you live in or near Tucson, CDL training just got easier, faster, and more accessible. Now, whether you're starting from scratch or ready to level up, we've got your back. We're one of the top-rated CDL schools in the country, known for helping over 10,000 students get trained, licensed, and hired with real flexibility and real results. And now you can get that same experience right here in Tucson, Arizona. Did you know that the average trucker earns around $70,000 a year or more? But here's the catch, there's three big things standing in your way. You've got to pass a series of written tests to get yourself a CDL permit. You need to attend a fully accredited CDL school with hands-on training. And finally, you've got to pass a 2.5-hour-long road and skills test to actually earn your CDL license. No matter where you are in that process, our Tucson team is ready to guide you through every single step of the way. At our Arizona location, our certified instructors are here to help you earn a CDL Class A license or a CDL Class B license, with no fluff, no confusion, just clear steps and full support from day number one. It all starts with our tour of our facility, so you know exactly what to expect before you even sign up. Once you're in, you'll go through our optimized CDL permit prep course, where we'll teach you everything you need to know to pass your exams at your own pace. Then you move to our training yard, where you'll learn how to perform things like inside and outside vehicle inspections, master parking maneuvers, practice real test routes with hands-on instructor coaching, and before you hit the streets, you'll train on our brand new state-of-the-art driving simulator, helping you get comfortable with shifting, spotting road hazards, and building confidence behind the wheel. And once you're ready, you'll drive on the actual roads and highways around Tucson with a certified instructor. And we'll even help you schedule and pass your official CDL road test as well. Here's why students choose Driving Academy above all other schools. We're flexible. We're open up 7 days a week with custom training schedules that fit your life. We make it super affordable, just $500 down with affordable interest-free payment plans. That's right, interest-free. And we support you for life. Our lifetime job placement assistance means we'll help you build a real career, not just get a license. So what are you waiting for? Classes are filling up fast at our brand new Tucson location. Fill out the form, book your free school tour, and let's get you on the road to freedom right here in Tucson, Arizona.